I'm creating my lab session pages on here. And what I want them to do is I want them to be able to just hover over this and have it copy it right away so they can paste it into ChatGPT. So what I'm gonna do is go over here. And so I first started with this prompt. I told you exactly what I wanted to do. I gave it the prompt and it gave me the first one. I liked it, but I wanted to add just a little bit more. So then I said, make the font look like a typewriter font, make the font this color, which is my brand color. Then I said, make the background transparent, and I want a copy icon at the top left-hand corner of the text. And it gave me this code. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go over here to my website, go to HTML, going to paste it in, hit update, and voila, you have it. And so let's test it out. I might take that border off of there. I'm not sure yet. But let's test it out. So I'm gonna copy this so you can know where we're starting from. Let's go to Google Docs. I already have one open. So right now, if I copy and paste, that's what it says right now. So let me go back. Okay, so let's test it out. Voila, it works. So that's essentially what I wanted them to do. I wanted them to just be able to click it, click, and then paste. And it's just that easy.